Welcome, pet lovers. Today we have something truly special for you. If you've ever thought about how to immortalize your beloved pet in a unique and artistic way, then you're in the right place. But before we delve into our story, we have a little something for you. Make sure to check out the link in the description below to buy your own custom pet portrait from Etsy. Now let's dive in and discover the charming world of custom pet portraits, a place where love for our furry friends and artistry come together beautifully. Ever wondered how to immortalize your pet in a unique and special way? Well, let's dive into the story of one pet lover who found the answer on Etsy with a custom pet portrait. Meet Sam, a proud dog owner with a heart full of love for his furry friend Max. Seeking a way to capture Max's personality and charm, Sam turned to Etsy, a platform known for its unique and personalized offerings. He stumbled upon a listing for custom pet portraits, and his journey into the world of personalized pet artistry began. Sam was keen on the process. He chose the size and style of the portrait, provided Max's name and selected his preferred font. He then uploaded a picture of Max, ensuring it adhered to the photo guidelines provided by the seller. The portrait was to be made on thick, museum-quality matte posters, and Sam opted for a lightweight frame that came with hanging hardware. The seller was professional and responsive, promising to provide proofs within 24 hours, with unlimited revisions. Sam was pleased with this aspect as it allowed him to be part of the creative process, ensuring the final product was nothing short of perfect. We've seen how Sam found the perfect gift for himself and his beloved Max, but you might be wondering, how does one actually go about purchasing a custom pet portrait on Etsy? Well, let's break it down. First, you'll need to find a seller that matches your style and preferences. Etsy is a marketplace full of talented artists, so take your time to browse and find someone whose work you admire. Once you've chosen a seller, you'll need to select the size of the portrait, the style, and the type of frame, if any. You'll then provide the necessary details, your pet's name and your preferred font. Next, you'll need to upload a clear, high-quality photo of your pet. Make sure it's a picture that truly captures your pet's personality. After you've provided all the information, the seller will begin creating your custom pet portrait. They will send you proofs within 24 hours, and offer unlimited revisions until you're completely satisfied. Once you've approved the final design, the seller will print your portrait on a high-quality museum-grade matte poster and ship it directly to your door. And remember, pet lovers, don't forget to check out the link in the description below to buy your own custom pet portrait from Etsy. Immortalize your pet in a unique and special way today. And the result? A stunning portrait of Max, capturing his spirit and personality in a way that no ordinary photograph could. Sam was overjoyed with the final product, praising the quality and quick turnaround time of the portrait. To summarize, custom pet portraits on Etsy offer a unique way to celebrate and immortalize your beloved pet. They are personalized, professional, and allow pet owners to be involved in the creation process. The portraits are high quality and come with a satisfaction guarantee, ensuring that each pet's personality shines through in every stroke of the artist's brush. So, for all pet lovers out there looking for a unique way to honor their four-legged friends, a custom pet portrait from Etsy might just be the perfect solution.